Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I experience headaches and dry eyes constantly, and this was recommended to me based on some research. This is an eye mask from HealTek, and it's a really neat eye mask that definitely is very relaxing and soothing to tired eyes. The mask is really easy to operate. All you have to do is place it right over your eyes. Once you have it on, there's a button which has 4 different settings that allow you to be able to get some rejuvenation and relief. The settings have a lot of different options. You can add heat, you can add massaging of your temples, you can add just around the eye sockets, and it's amazing because after just a few minutes of sitting with this eye mask on, I really feel such a relief from my tired eyes and from my headaches. At the end of the day, I can feel that pressure building up in my sinuses and my temples, and being able to use this definitely has been such a relief. While you're using the mask, it also has quiet bird sounds. I feel that I really don't necessarily need the bird sounds because the mask itself is really relaxing to use, but it's a nice added touch that you'll enjoy while you're sitting back. The mask is completely rechargeable and comes with the cord that you need. It's fully adjustable with the band in the back, which is also really comfortable to put around the back of your head. Even just after a few minutes of using this, I can definitely feel such a relief in my eyes. Staring at screens all day, looking outside at bright lights, sometimes can lead to a real big headache at the end of the day. But this eye mask provides an awesome amount of relief. And that's just my point of view.